Came all the way from St. Louis?
Louisville, Kentucky, bro.
From Louisville, Kentucky. That's what's up, bro. What are you getting done?
Bro, I want like a burst fade, come to a V at the back. Bro, I don't know what to do with the top for real.
Okay.
I don't want to go too short, but I want texture to it, bro. I just kind of been letting it grow out.
Okay.
But I mean, you can do what you do on top, bro.
So burst fade into a V in the back, texture on top, dual length,
and
whatever.
Then,
okay.
Just the tips of the beard blended.
Okay.
Everything lined up.
Okay. So you're leaving the same length on the beard, growing it out?
Yep.
Okay. All right, bro. Let's do it. All right, guys. What I'm gonna do here is I'm probably gonna start at the baseline here, create that V shape with the baseline, and then we'll layer it. We'll do square layers on the top using that Barber Josh OP comb. Shout out to my dog Barber Josh OP, and let's go ahead and start the cut.
Yeah, you definitely hear that.
Nate just look like he got a big old head.
I seen the class this morning. See the first one? What is that over the cut board? Yeah.
But I don't want to move to like Cape Coral, bro. I want to move to Tampa.
Yeah, it's popping. It's popping. You've done it once, you'll be able to do it again.
Yeah,
bro.
Make sure you do a lightning bolt on TV. Make sure you do the
Definitely gotta consider the risk.
Nobody at my shop thought I was really getting a cut by you, bro.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. We have cut the baseline, cut it into a V. One thing we're gonna have to do back here is layer this. That'll kind of help the color blend in a little bit better as well. Using that base as my guides. We could also use that fringe, that length, as our guide here. So I think we'll do it textured.
Yeah, tell everybody fill it in with a pencil. Drew it on. See over at whenever they fly you to America. Yeah, I'm sorry. I watched 37 walking. Somebody out there. Somebody. I see Willie stay though.
All right, guys. So
Like you said, Alex is his cousin, right?
Oh,
we can slice cut in here just to put some pieces in here, a little bit more texture.
I did what I was supposed to do. Now they got that 7-0. Sure, I'll
I felt bad yesterday saying no, dog.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go into clip over comb. Gotta be careful. Keep the dark areas dark. When you're using the comb too, you want to make sure, since it's a burst fade, that this area stays as dark as possible as well.
Our shop down in Miami, we have a guy who's across the street with his car.
Let's take over the
How many days is it?
Still, it was ridiculous, bro.
I'm telling you, that's how you should ask me first.
It's crazy, bro.
Don't ask the installers. There's a reason they're installers, not business owners.
We didn't go direct.
After that quote, I just gave up. I said, you know what? I'm not even introducing that type of stuff in my life anymore. It looks good how it is.
So hold on, he wasn't even charging you for the material?
Not even that was not the material. That was the install, bro.
It's like 4Gs for everything.
For everything. That seems more realistic. But it was like 1,000 or something like that, like 1,200 or 1,500 for the materials or something like that. Yeah, that was crazy, bro. All right, guys, so we did clipper over comb. I'm just gonna use this number 2 open to know that I'm kind of fading into a number 2. Here I'm going in with the point of my teeth just to give it a little bit more length.
Nobody has even game one scoring. You gotta get Jimmy somebody who can actually score the ball. Since he won that first Super Bowl, I did not. Huh?
Yeah. Well, I think we got a solid foundation here. Let's go ahead and start in the fade. He wants to burst, so we're gonna start in the middle.
I know you're talking. They're all his points. I know. You got the fade. You got the low fade.
Okay. We're gonna go to the number 1 guard, all the way open.
You lose all your defense.
Oh,
yeah, the Knicks are gonna get made fun of. It doesn't matter what the fuck what he said. They don't necessarily need it. They've competed year in and year out now without Grant.
Half guard all the way open.
Anybody else want to add Adam? Don't matter.
They don't let you leave.
got, you just got one under the radar for that.
Smoking that brownie pack. There's no way somebody can beat that.
People, I don't know, bro, because people hate him.
That was. They alleged that she got a relationship with him.
A post and it was refreshed live. So-and-so's at this club, so-and-so's at this club. This player's at this place.
That's the hardest. Bro, some of these girls be like 6 figures, bro. I'm thinking about some YouTube videos and they're like going up, what do you do for it, bro?
What, man? Give me some nice heels. What about the only thing is like.
But I seen your comment the other day, bro. Dude asked about side hustles.
Very talented.
To me, bro, if you gotta worry about side hustles, bro, you probably should be focused more on marketing than anything. Because if you could get good at marketing with barbering, and because you're fully booked, you can use those marketing tactics, those strategies with any business.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing like right now, bro. Like I'm focused on barbering. That's it.
Cool, but could actually slow you down more than anything.
Yeah.
Answering dumb questions from all those the Ninja family? They have a show too. Every time I see their videos, their houses are getting bigger in the background.
Nope.
Honestly, bro, you in 360 is the reason I started cutting.
Yeah, a lot of people tell us that, man. It's crazy. It's crazy how much reach you have,
Bro, and you were like my motivation to get out the military.
Really?
Yeah, bro, because at first, I was like, man, I'm not going to be able to afford health insurance.
Yeah.
And then the way you broke it down, I was like, man, that makes sense. And I got out, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
After 6 years.
I guess so now we're gonna just do some thinning shears here, just to smoothen it out a little bit. Especially because like this could be an awkward area to blend in. I like to use the thinning shears to kind of help me out a little bit.
That's why you should do what I do, man. Have no friends and don't be nice. I made sure I have no friends so they can't ask. That's the whole point. I'm just saying no.
You guys can see the blend came together. Let's go ahead and put the bar here. And the C cup, that's gonna make the burst pop even more, guys. The C cup is where it really starts to pop. That's funny.
They're way overpriced anyway.
I had like wings on them and tatted on my neck.
Okay.
And bro, I've had somebody like.
You want the wings to kind of be complimented.
Yeah,
by
yep.
Gotcha. Yeah.
And the chrome is at the top. Keeping it a bingo.
Looking tested.
No, acting starts later. Walking into a coffee shop at they think you're like, oh man.
I don't know what's worse, the Jeep owners with the Dutchies.
It's on the Jeep owner too. So you get a lift, bro. You can't be riding around on a Jeep on a lift.
The guys who have Jeeps and have them lifted, douchebags, man, all of them.
He's like, hey, he's got a Jeep lifted.
That take home, bro. That Porsche.
It is that. Oh, the Panamera?
I'm not getting on this thing.
But the whole point of self-driving is that you don't want to drive.
No, you park.
I don't want to cut hair today, but I'm down for this fee.
One day we're like 300, we ordered just under that.
Man, you're going to get rid of people's jobs, but electricians want you guys.
He's literally in charge of high value
Is
jobs.
it like if he started to work in a hostile?
Wait, he doesn't do anything.
Is he a minority?
He's a minority.
Oh, damn, he's got it all, dude.
Jason, you available?
You know what's interesting though about this building, this new building over here in Odessa? I don't know what she's here, but she works out of that hub now. Remember that the return.
That's what's going to be funny, because is he going to support Tesla or his passion?
He's trying to put in people's heads. Weird. Just think about what kind of haircut.
Like if they look.
You never heard of love at first sight, bro?
No, dude.
You don't believe in fairy tale?
They tweeted that.
He got injected and hit.
That's when he first sees the girl. And he goes up to her and he starts singing a song.
Well,
In all honesty, the reason they did it first one so was accidentally released Top Gun at the height of the movie.
they were talking about the other day. He said that
He changed the game.
He's top 10 in my opinion.
He changed the game.
He did change the game.
An 8-year-old, and I see all the other 8-year-olds and 9-year-olds and 10-year-olds.
He would run like circles.
Magic would have guarded.
He would run circles around those guys.
He doesn't do it physicality. That's why when Draymond
Bro.
guarded Bird, dude, that dude was savage. He was insane. I'll say he's all.
You almost don't deserve it.
Did you hear about Magic Johnson? He was like $60 million or something. Started way different than everybody else.
Bro, he is most savage move ever though when he bought all the front row seats to
Do they know about the chicken breast name?
They don't, man. The very first show we did.
Use himself real quick.
I'm Sammer, I'm staying. I'm like, I'm Christian Brett. Yeah, testify about him.
So he doesn't want length off, so we're gonna lift this up and line up underneath.
See what they were going to build up, and they let both those players leave.
Miami, the Heat, what else? Not the Lakers.
No, not the Lakers.
Yeah.
That's impressive, dude. You can't do that nowadays.
Golden State too, though.
They're terribly run.
All right, listen, who do you think is the worst ran organization?
South Strays has the same little body. Why is he copy 39 and
Oh, yeah, I'm
Angie
already
called me
going,
like
bro.
6 months in. She's like, bro, you're 38.
There's no more recovery at 40. Super flexible at that.
Who's that?
I'm ready.
Go.
He tried to
Jam packed. He waited like, I think 30 minutes to start the first goal. The whole time.
Was it very stupid?
Yeah.
$42 in raise. Easy. You like that?
I give you like full on. It makes it worth your time.
I'll pass.
And we can all just make fun of Snake's beard the whole time. Our third leg. Garbage is on the side of the highway. Yeah, it's famous up in the mountains, dude. It's not down. Yeah. It's a big deal. Recently let people come there a couple weeks ago. I watched it. No, it's not now.
Yeah.
You wouldn't believe we won.
You know how to order?
We figured out a way to get Luka in the gym.
Oh, it's a wrap. They show recent, yeah.
He did not just
But
do
Luka,
that.
if you made him up a little bit, he could take a beating and not fall every time.
You got that dirt, man. You got dirt. You got that one. I hope you got that.
Dude, I tried to do that.